graph 6x minus 3 is less than x plus 2 on the number line. Well, first of all, we need to simplify and solve this inequality. We have 6x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. Adding 3 to both sides, we have 6x minus 3 plus 3 would be 6x is less than x plus 2 plus 3, which would be plus 5. And then subtracting x from both sides, we would have 6x minus x, which is 5x, is less than x plus 5 minus x is 5. And then we divide both sides by 5. Since 5 is a positive number, we do not change the direction of the inequality. 5x divided by 5 would be x. 5 divided by 5 would be 1. So the solution set would be the set of all x such that x is less than 1. For the graph, we mark 1 on the number line with an open circle indicating that 1 is not part of the graph, and we shade all the numbers less than 1. And that's the graph of the solution set of the inequality.